We just said that a percent means out of every 100 or for every 100. So we're going to start by saying 80% means 80 out of 100. I hope everyone agrees with that. 80% means 80 out of 100. But this fraction can definitely be reduced. The most obvious is to say 80 over 100, cut off the zeros at the end. That's 8 over 10. But that can also be reduced. Becomes 4 out of 5. Since we've already had an entire unit on working with fractions, this hopefully is a little more familiar to people than using decimals at this point. If 80% is the same thing as 4 out of 5, I can multiply that fraction with the whole number that I was given. A whole number would be over 1, correct? So if I do this, I do 4 times 20 is 80, 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 goes into 80. Let's see, 5 goes into 8 one time with 3 left over, so 16. So by making this into a fraction first, we're able to just use whole numbers the whole way through. It's actually just multiplying whole numbers, 4 times 20, divide it by 5, and we get a whole number for our answer. This method is very easy to use and is much quicker to use than any other method of solving percents if the numbers that you are given are simple numbers to start with. 80%, that's going to be an easy one for us to reduce. And 80% of a number like 20, a nice, easy, round number, 20, 30, 40, 50, those are really easy numbers to work with here. So if you have a pretty simple number to start with, if you have a simple percentage to start with, doing this as a fraction is going to be the quickest way you could possibly do this problem if you're going through all the steps of each method.